Okay, so this is the lobby area of Beach Club Villas. Really, really cool lobby. As you can see, very beachy, really well decorated, well appointed. There's a hidden Mickey somewhere in that if you know where to look. You see what a nice job they did just with these little decorations. And of course, growing up on the Jersey Shore, I see this stuff and it really brings back a lot of memories. But this is a really, it's a very open space. You can see high ceilings and that cool chandelier, and then that little banquet area of seating with all these little pieces in there is really, really, really cool. So yeah, this is the lobby area. And just like lots of seating, very quiet, very serene, very serene. Then they have a drawing room. Oh, one thing cool is there's a concierge that's here during the day for dining and tickets and stuff like that. So if you don't feel like dealing with the front desk, you can just do that there. This is the drawing room. This is a cool little space. Again, just real comfortable seating, very quiet, very relaxing. Nice pool table that's in here just for anybody to use. There's a television on, so nice place to hang out. And so let's go outside and we'll walk over to the main building. Go into the Solarium, which is also part of DVC. The Solarium is the community room here. Weather's cooperating for us right now. It's been a kind of crappy day weather-wise. And of course, Ariel's there to welcome everybody in. But, it's just, you're here and you're literally like a 3-minute walk to Epcot, right? And yet you couldn't feel further removed from a theme park. It's one of the things Disney does really, really well with their resorts, especially when you consider how busy and how crazy the resorts are. Having a place that's just kind of removed and, with the exception of screaming children. But this is the Solarium. And again, nice quiet room. And in the morning, they do specialty coffees. I think it's from 6 or 7 a.m. to noon. They do specialty coffees and pastries in here. Again, kind of save you the trouble of fighting your way through the main store. And we will do that. We'll go into the store now. Premium coffee bar, 5:30 a.m. till noon in the Solarium. So let's go ahead and check out the store, aka the marketplace. Kind of similar to what they have over on the Yacht Club side. We have a couple of freestyle Coke machines, which I've already hit up. They do have a grill, breakfast, sandwiches, entrees. Nothing extreme. Salads, chicken, stuff like that. Soups, and some breakfast items. Nice quick service stuff. Sandwiches look really good. Those are some nice looking sandwiches. They look really fresh too. And then, you know, as is commonplace with all DVC properties, you're going to get, you know, some of the frozen stuff, as well as refrigerated stuff that you can have back in the room. Rolo's ice cream, just what I need to see right now. Hot Pockets, Tombstone pizzas, stuff like that. So that's really easy to make in the room. They also will have some prepackaged cold cuts, cheeses, margarine, eggs, bacon. Certainly one of the benefits of having a one-bedroom with that full kitchen, that you can cook some breakfast and kind of make your morning a little easier. Of course, some wine and beer and bottled drinks as well. And then the other side is going to be, you know, your basic merch, right? Nothing extraordinary in that regard. Just the stuff you're going to see pretty much at any gift shop, at any of the resorts on property. They do have some nice, I mean, they have the DVC stuff here. And again, this kind of bothers me that this area is not larger and doesn't have more selection. There's more DVC merch than just this, but it seems like the only place that carries it, and those robes are terrible, do not buy those robes. Those robes are, watch my Grand Floridian review. The Grand Floridian robes are the same price and so much better quality. But you know, lots of merch. They do have some Beach Club logo merchandise. I love these Nike golf shirts. I wear these a lot. These are the only polo shirts I'll wear. I love the way they fall. Stuff. Some nice keychains. That's really cool. With Ariel there. And then coming out here, we'll go into the lobby. And again, I think they do a great job in this lobby with, you know, it's open, it's airy, the color scheme, and, you know, that seahorse chandelier up there is really, really neat. Just really nice, comfortable lobby. I love the color schemes in here. I think I prefer the lobby over at the yacht more. Those blues and dark woods are really kind of my aesthetic. I love that. It's closed right now, but we'll be in here later tonight doing one of our dining reviews at Cape May Cafe. That is in the morning. That is a character breakfast, which last time I did it was fantastic, but it's been a while. Been a while since we did dinner, so I thought that would be a good one to do for a review. So we'll go walk out this way.
I always love the little artwork in here too, like 3D.
The sandcastle with Mickey, that's really cool.
Yeah.
And of course, the biggest selling point for these resorts, without a doubt, is just outside those windows. We'll be out there in a second. You can see Stormalong Bay, the pool area. That has long been one of the, I mean, it is pretty much inarguably now the, we call this Martha's Graveyard because there's never anything going on here. The only time I've ever been in there has been for like a special event or something. But yeah, we call it Martha's Graveyard, and that's why. Orioles. That used to be a restaurant. Now it's used for special events. And it's a little overcast. It was raining earlier. But it's also very warm today, so you see
the middle space is the Goofy. That's your free space.
Out in the pool.
It's going to go all the way across your board, that X.
Next up is I am tracking a giant bird. I have a special caller that helps me talk. Tracy, what happened?
Definitely one of the best aspects of staying at Disney. The kind of activities that go on at the pool are always pretty cool. I made a little rhyme there, didn't mean to. Of course, the venerable beaches and cream. You have to-go ice creams over there that are both family friendly and adults. Can I just poke my head in?
6:30 or 9, I'll text you.
And we'll just go inside now that it's been remodeled. Although it doesn't look any different than it used to. I mean, I thought they were expanding this, but there's no diet food on the menu in there. Weren't they supposed to expand that?
Well, it's gonna close in August.
Oh, I thought it already had.
They did a little bit of a refurb, but it's gonna close for a few months in August.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then we got the arcade. This is a pretty decent arcade. Usually the deluxe resorts have crappy arcades. This is one of the exceptions. Maybe it's because it's shared with two deluxe resorts. I'm not sure, but this is actually a pretty good size arcade.
With the parent corner.
The parent corner with the massage chairs.
That's my favorite.
And now, as you can tell, we're at the holy line of demarcation between Beach Club and Yacht Club. All right, so that is a little look at the Beach Club for a walkthrough, and hope you enjoyed it.